Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came with a complete manicure procedure. If you want to see this kind of more video and if you want to learn with me, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon so you will reach my new videos. I already start nail cleaning. You see, I spray the tools first with the alcohol and I start doing filing. Any shape customer they desire, you can file nicely. Now I spray the cuticle liquid and I push the cuticle nicely. We have to push cuticle very nicely only in the cuticles, and we have to cut cuticle very gently, cuticle and dry skin very gently, because it's danger things. We can cut the skin edge, so we have to be very careful for cutting the cuticles. Here I am cleaning the nail dots from inside the nails, so it will look more hygiene and very clean. Now we have to do popping. Popping will help to remove all the extra dots from the nail. Now we have to do massage. Massage makes a client and our relationship very good, because when we give massage, we have good interaction between customer and us. So they will feel more relaxed, they will feel more happy with you, with your service. Now it's a polish time. Wow, it's look really nice. I hope this video will help you guys. If you want to learn more, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.